File, okay. Please share the file about King Midas. Ya, turn on kamera ya. Nanti yang maju, yang saya tunjuk. Lia Kamilato Nikmah, please. Turn on kamera Mbak Lia. Okay, please, Mbak Lia. Don't read note ya, jangan baca ya. Retell by your own words. You may start right now, Mbak Kamilia, Mbak Lia.
Pakai bahasa Inggris, man.
Yes, you are right. You are the student English of English Education Department. Ya, sekarang. Maskernya dibuka biar nggak nutupin. Ya udah. Please start right now, Mbak Lia.
King Midas. Once upon a time, there lived a king. And he is the richest man. The name is King Midas. He wanted all the territory of the king in the world put together. She called Bacchus. And Bacchus is a god who can cast for 10 days.
Sleepy. Ayo lanjut.
One day, campur bahasa Indonesia ya, Mem?
Mau campur hari ini kan nggak gaduh-gaduh. Ayo continue Mbak Lia Kamilato Nikmah.
King Midas is greedy, rich king, and he wants to be all in the world. So he called the god Bacchus, and he said, "You shall be my guest for 10 days. Please eat and drink as much as you like." So Midas could hardly believe his ears. Your wish is granted. Bacchus said. And
Kenapa, Mbak?
he picked up a stone and it turned gold. Semua yang dipegang itu berubah menjadi
Everything
emas.
he touched turned into stone.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Nanti ya, Mbak. Lanjutin. Mbak Steve Fauzia. Mbak Steve Fauzia, your turn, Mbak. Ya Allah. Steve Fauzia, Mbak Steve Fauzia. Nanti pulang ya, Mbak Amelia.
Can I start now, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay. Once upon a time, there lived a king, and he was the richest man in the world. His name is Midas, but he was not a happy man because King Midas wanted to be the richest man in the world, and he always thought how to become richer and richer. Long story short, Midas met Cilius, the friend of the god Bacchus, and Midas welcomed him and treated him very good in his castle. Uh, After 10 days, Midas took Cilius back to Bacchus. And god Bacchus was very happy because he could see his friend again. And Bacchus gave Midas a gift. Midas was given the power as he could touch everything and it would turn into the gold. Midas was very happy because finally he got the chance to be the richest man in the world. He was very happy at first until all the foods and drinks that he touched turned into gold as well. So he could not eat or drink anything. Not only that, his children turned into gold as he hugged his children. And King Midas was very sad and he cried. Finally, King Midas realized that he was wrong because he turned to be a greedy man and loved gold so much. Bacchus felt sorry for Midas and told him how to cure the golden touch. And he had to go to the river Pactolus and wash hands in clear water. And Midas did so. Finally, Midas turned into his palace and quickly grabbed a bucket and bring it to the river Pactolus and take some water. He back to the garden and poured the water over the children, and finally the children came alive and no longer become a gold. And finally, King Midas was not be a greedy man anymore, and King Midas enjoyed because he could eat and drink again, and he no longer wanted to be the richest man. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, my question, Mbak, tadi anunya mana? My question is, who is Midas' best friend? Who is Midas' best friend? To help Midas to achieve his dream, to change everything into gold. Who, I ask, who?
I'm sorry, Mom. I can't hear your voice clearly. Can you just type the question?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. The question is, who helped King Midas to change everything into a gold? God Bacchus.
Because, okay. Thank you, Mbak. Istifa udah go on sekarang. Siapa ini? Ya, ya welcome. Loh, mau di. Siapa ya? Mas Rifki Muslim.
Yes, Mom.
Mas, please tell about King Midas.
Menceritakan kembali dengan gaya bahasa saya sendiri, Mom.
Yes, you are right.
One day, there lived a rich king, but he want to be richer. In his kingdom, there is someone he know. That person is a friend of good Bacchus. He asked his servant to welcome him for 10 days. He is free to eat and drink
Jangan
anything
baca.
in his
Don't
best.
read anything. Don't read your note. Jangan baca catatan. Menghadap ke saya aja. Ayo. Di mute.
Sorry, Mom.
Pakpuk-pakpuknya apa?
One day, lived a king rich in the kingdom, but he want to be richer in the world. So he in his kingdom he know friend of God Bacchus. So he he tell him servant to apa ya, melayani service
Server saya.
servant. Yes, several. Yes, like that. So his friends of God Bacchus Midas found a friend of the Kutbekos. She won servant to save his friend of Kutbekos. Midas menyambut Midas Midas asked his servant to welcome him for 10 days. He is free to eat or drink in the garden or kingdom. In the last 10 days, akhir 10 hari, he returned the friend of Kutbekos, and Kutbekos give him permintaan apa? Wish. Give him wish to Midas. So Midas said, I want be the richest in the world. So Kutbekos mengabulkan. So Kutbekos mengabulkan. Grant. So Kutbekos grant what Midas want one thing. So Midas return the kingdom with feel happy, dengan perasaan senang. But at long time, if it's a few time or long time, he feel sad because he cannot drink or eat, and everything he touch is thrown to be cold. So he back to Kutbekos and wingering to Kutbekos. He want the specialty of him, kekuatan power of him dikembalikan, he return. So Kutbekos So Kutbekos greets him to take him touch throne in the throne gold untuk mengambil kembali kekuatan emasnya tadi. Then Kutbekos said to him, you can lose your power if you shower in river Poctalus. So he shower in river Poctalus and his power is lost.
Make you happy.
Selesai, Mom.
Okay, my question to you. How about the ending of King Midas?
The ending of Midas has make a party for the children in the kingdom.
The children.
Midas make a party in the kingdom.
Really ini make a party.
Yes. Pesta, membuat pesta.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Mas Muslim. Next, Mbak
Yes,
Alivia. Next, Mbak Alivia, please. Ya, Mbak Alivia, mulai.
Yes, ma'am. Long time ago, there lived a king named is King Midas. He is rich, but he is not happy. He wants to be more richer. And one day, his servant came with old man name is Silenus, the friend of God Bacchus. Midas very kind to Silenus. After few days, Midas took Silenus back to God Bacchus. The God Bacchus is very happy because he can meet his friend, and God Bacchus said thanks to Midas and said he will grant anything that Midas want. Midas want that everything that he touched will turn into gold. After that, Midas turned into his palace and tried the power. He touched a stone and it turned to gold. And he tried to touch anything and it turned gold again. After that, Midas touched some food and it turned gold. Not only that, his chair turned into gold too. It was very uncomfortable for him, but he's still happy. After the sovereign broke Midas a bowl, he cannot wash her hand because it turning cold. When Midas went to walk to his garden and when his children hug him, the sun is turning gold too into gold statue, and Midas cried. Midas want to remove his power and he should go to River Pactolus and wash it with clear water. So Midas did it. After doing that, the golden touch is gone. After turning to his palace, he tried to touch anything, but the thing is not turning cold again. And
Ayo, and apa, Mbak?
and they came alive and anything in his palace no longer gold again.
Full stop. Or you want to continue the story? Udah selesai
Stop,
atau mau
ma'am.
dilanjutkan? Stop.
Sudah.
Sekarang tak tanya. Nih. Okay, pay attention to the first paragraph. He was not happy. Why was King Midas not happy?
Because he is not the richer.
He is not the richest and he wants to be the richest man in the world.
Yes.
Ya, oke. Oke, full stop, Mbak. Gantian yang lain. Apa ya? Mbak Era PBI, Era.
Yes, Mom.
Ya, please retell the story right now.
Okay, let me start it. Once upon a time, there lived a king who named Midas, and he wanted to be a richer king in the world. One day, his servant found Sileus. Sileus is Bacchus' friend. So Midas had an idea. Midas carrying the Sileus and want to take him to the Bacchus. Bacchus is a god, and when he met, Bacchus was very happy about that. So he gave Midas a gift and will make his wish Midas become true. So Midas want to do that everything he touch can be turned to gold. Finally, Midas can touch everything turn into the gold, but when he want to eat and drink, he can't because the food and drink turn into gold. And when he want to wish the hand by the water turn into gold too. So when he want to use his children too, the children become a golden statue. Midas was very sad and disappointed about his greedy, so he came to Bacchus and asked him to turn his power as it was to the power is gone, untuk menghilangkan kekuatannya. But Bacchus can't do it, and he told the Midas to cross a river named Pactolus and wash his body in the water, in the river water, the river. So Midas goes to the river and wash his body, and finally the power has gone, and he very happy. But when he went to the garden, the children still a golden statue, and he take the water, the river the water of river Pactolus and apa ya? Mengguyur kok apa ya? Poured it over the golden statue. Magically, the statue of children magically the children can live again, and he very happy about that. Finish.
Finish. Okay, the question. What is the first thing which changed which what's it? Which changed into gold? What is the first thing? Sorry, what was the first thing which changed into gold?
Oh, yang benda pertama yang berubah jadi emas, Mom.
Yeah.
Stone and tree.
Stone and tree. Which paragraph which show the proof? Paragraf yang mana buktinya?
Dua, tiga. Yang paragraf yang one, his return to the place Midas itu loh, Mom. Itu paragraf keberapa ya? Yang ada garisnya ungu itu loh, yang tried out, yang he picked up the stone.
Oke, good. Next, Mbak, namamu siapa, Mbak, lengkapnya?
Nama saya Era Amanda Sari.
Era Amanda Sari. Next. Mbak Salma. Mbak Salma, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Ini sampai jam berapa ya? 13.50? 12.50 ya?
Guys. Sampai jam 12.50, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Please, start right now.
Once upon a time, there lived a king. The name is King Midas. King Midas want to be richer than all the kings in the world put together. And however, and at the time, the servant found someone wandering in the garden, and the person is Silues. Silues is friend of good Bacchus. Midas had an idea. Midas allowed Silues to stay for 10 days in the kingdom, and then after 10 days, Midas meet Bacchus to give Siluet to Bagus, and Bagus was very happy, and Bagus give Midas gift. This is Bagus will Bagus will wait, ma'am. Mengabul
Apa?
Bagus will Bagus will grant Midas wish, and Midas wish he have Midas wish he can change things to become a gold, and Bagus grant it. After that, Midas was very happy and try his power to stone, and the stone change become a gold. After it, Midas go to the kingdom, and all of he thought was become gold. And when he won took his children, his children become a gold too. And Midas King Midas feel sorry that, and he meet again with Bagus, and he want to losing his power, and Bagus, and how to the power begun is he must go to the river. The name